Ooh.
All right, we're ready?
What about a snap?
Yo, Jonathan here. This is the Mac Studio. Yes, that Mac Studio, which packs M1 architecture inside a scaled up Honey, I Blew Up the Kid's Mac Mini body, but I assure you, this is not your mama's Mac Mini. Now in the Week Plus, we've got a chance to mess with it, and mess with it we have. Spoiler alert, this thing is fast. For video, this thing is ridiculous, and I'm not really coming at this from a Geekbench type perspective. In fact, I was most interested in how this applied in the music world. And for those who caught Startup, shout out to Windows XP, this is the team behind that. Colin, Alex, Emma, also shout out to Asher Postman, who is somewhere in Nashville right now. We've spent hours and hours and hours on this machine, so look out for that video, which is probably going to drop on the Alt Music channel link below, as well as the full review here, so definitely subscribe for that. But in the meantime, we just kind of wanted to check it out, unbox it. Also got a chance to hang out with my guy, Kari Mateen, who is an incredibly talented composer. And we got a chance to hang out, check out the display, and also what I was most fascinated about with the Mac Studio is integrating it into a Dolby Atmos setup.
Oh my God, I gotta get this. What the?
1, 2, 3. Good
Hello.
morning. We're here. We're gonna unbox this beautiful machine, which we haven't seen. We're here with award-winning songwriter and artist Emma Love. And
we're two
Colin and Alex.
award
never
not
been nominated
producers. Colin and Alex.
That's us.
We're here
They
to.
have cuts though.
That's true, we
do.
do have cuts. That's gonna get cut.
Yeah, that's gonna get cut. Oh, nice. Okay, we're here to, we're gonna tap on the box a little bit, then we're gonna open this baby
Yeah.
up. This looks beautiful. Check
Yeah.
out, let's maybe spin the box around.
Yeah.
Wow.
Spin it.
It has a lot of ports, is what I could see from just looking at the box.
The packaging on these is so satisfying
I know.
all the time.
You just wanna, you look at it, you just wanna pull the tab like it's the worst
Especially,
way.
yeah, now with like the little arrows too, it's like, I
Ooh,
know.
can we be quiet while you rip
Okay,
it?
ready? Everybody, radio silence. Sounds on set.
Okay.
Okay.
It's just steam
Are we
comes
just
off
gonna-
the box.
You wanna just,
Let's take a peek and then we'll open it.
okay, let's take a
to
little
the
peek.
viewers.
Ready?
A little sneak peek.
Designed by Apple in California.
Okay, no, we actually turn it this way.
Yeah.
Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Oh wait.
I like the double
hold
arrow.
up. So you know what the double arrow does? This the sides come out.
Oh, let's do that.
You ready?
Okay.
So grab the other side.
Take it. Go ahead.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh, it
whoa.
stops? Wow.
This box is like
wow.
what's it called?
Here.
Origami.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like
There you go.
origami. Look at that. Wow. Ooh. Does this go? No.
No.
Oh, so we just
No,
picked
you
this
So
up.
it opens
You
up
pick it
just
up.
enough to get your fingers around
Yeah,
the
you
bottom
get
of
your
it.
fingers in there?
So if you
Alright.
do you want to lift it up
Yeah,
out?
let's lift it. Ooh, feels good. It's pretty light.
Ooh.
You wanna
Cool,
grab
so-
the cord out of there? Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, it's got a really nice braided cable. I'm gonna pull this out real quick.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That's what
Yo.
I'm talking about.
You know what I really think
a look.
that Apple
Yeah, it's
should
really
do?
nice.
They
I don't
should
know if
make
you can zoom
black
in on that.
charging cables.
Yeah.
Oh, it's ASMR time. I lied. Ready?
Wow.
Oh wow. It's beautiful.
Let's pick this up.
Hella ports.
Yeah.
Wow. So it looks like a Mac Mini, just taller, right?
Yeah.
It looks like two Mac Minis stacked on top of each
Yeah,
other.
it's the same dimension, same curvature, and everything.
Beautiful. Here, let's just give it a little look for the camera. I'm gonna spin it over. Nice ports on the front.
And there's really nice holes on the bottom and around the back that apparently is just all for airflow, right? To help keep
Ventilation.
it cooler.
Ooh, yeah, look at the bottom.
Isn't this like harkening back to like the old? Was it called the Mac Studio before with the studio display
Oh,
or
the
whatever?
old one was like in a piece of glass.
Yeah,
or
it was in
something.
glass and it came with the glass display. So it was basically like the
Yeah.
same thing. They're just updating it.
Yeah.
So on the back we have 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. We have a 10 gigabit Ethernet port. There's power. We have 2 USB-A ports. There's a HDMI 2.0 port, and then a high impedance headphone jack on the back. That's really nice. And then obviously just a little power button there.
They also have, these are 2 more Thunderbolts on the front, or depending on the model, they're either USB-C or Thunderbolt.
Yeah, if you go Ultra, you get 2 extra.
Yeah.
Six Thunderbolt ports is awesome.
Yeah, that's crazy. And to be able to hit them from the back and the front. So you can have... Jonathan, we're keeping it PG, bro.
Yeah. That was by accident.
We didn't say anything wrong. Jonathan was the one that laughed, okay?
But it's nice to be able to have Thunderbolt on the back and the front because you can...
Yeah.
I can't do it anymore. I'm done.
Okay. On the front, we got the 2 Thunderbolt ports. And is that an SD card?
Yep.
Yeah.
And an SD card. Yeah, this has so much.
So many
Ooh,
ports,
the
you
IO
literally
is
don't
awesome on
need
this.
a dock anymore.
No.
Yeah. Is that also on the bottom? This is for a Kensington lock, right?
What is that?
So these are locks that they have in a lot of like offices and schools and stuff like that have a lot of Macs.
Yeah.
They lock it into the desk so that people can't steal them. That's a
I
really...
would steal this computer if I had the opportunity to.
So that's actually a really fresh security feature. Those are awesome.
Yeah.
When you
You
build
should
it,
get one of these
you
for
build
here, 'cause this
security
is
into the actual
outta
like
here.
what is it? Is this hardware? Yes.
I am smart.
Studio display. Amazing box. Here we go. Let's go. Let's just turn this around. I love that. Hope that mic is catching that. All right, let's go. Here we go. We got this. That's just genius. Check that out. Let's pull this up here. I'm gonna set that right here.
I got an idea.
Yeah.
Check this.
Yeah.
Now you can clear the way.
Not clear away. All right, cool. Nice. Crispy. Oh, nice. I'm gonna set that here. Ooh, that's tight. All right, so it's like a nice little sticker that goes all the way through here. Ooh. Into the best part, the screen. Just gonna pull it off. Wow, that's so nice. So the mat looks nice. So nice. Let me check that out. Go to the back. Wow, I love the ports that are in the back. They kill it with the details, right? It's just the material is so nice. And, you know, people talk about how much this stuff costs, but when you feel it, you're like, okay, cool. I don't feel as bad as spending the money on it. I mean, but just look at the machining here. I mean, the stand, you know, I know they make another one, but like if I'm sitting down here, yeah, I'm good. I mean, that's a lot of screen real estate. I mean, if you're about here, what I'm like 2 feet, 3 feet right there. I mean, super nice. I love it. The machining on this bottom part right here is just super nice. Big Apple logo.
You kind of eyeballed the Pro Display, but you didn't need all of that.
Yeah, so yeah, I mean, the Pro Display, I've seen it. And this right here, it's big. I would have to get a different type of desk setup, but I would definitely I will definitely appreciate this size. You know what I'm saying? Because you can I will definitely get 2. I think I'm going to get 2. Yeah, having the ports too, it's just sick. Because a lot of times I'm like working and, you know, I just need a quick hard drive thing, just plop it in right there. And what's the brightness on this?
600 nits.
600 nits is a lot. I mean, I might even bring that down sometimes. But no, like editing footage, you know, on this would be
What was your thoughts? Because you got to look at it a little bit over
Yeah, so, yeah, I mean, it's bright, it's accurate, I mean, I'm looking at, you know, the screen. It's super bright, you know, and, you know, for me, sometimes it's good to have that. Like, you want the one thing in the room, you want everything dark, and you're, like, playing something back, you know, as, like a film that I'm working on. But then also, too, I know that the screens that I have right now, they're, like, you know, they're a little janky, you know, like, and then like they don't have any weight. This feels good. This feels like it can, you know, be on the desk. You don't feel like it's gonna move anywhere like crazy. I like that, and it's not too big. You know, the machining is dope. You don't feel any, you know, lip or anything like that, or like, you know, some displays you can feel like you could pull the whole thing off the front, you know. Yeah. Okay. So if I'm comparing these two, I mean, whoa. Yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's, you know, Apple has just a good way of trimming the fat, you know, and like really just working, like, I don't know, the lip here is just, you know, it's just completely different. I mean, like, even sound-wise, you know, to me it's like, I don't know, it's chunky. This is just built and just a little bit weird to me. If I were in a store and I was like, all right, money is, I'm not looking at the price tag, I'm buying this, 100%, you know?
So that's $300 more than that.
This is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The thing is, that's a great display.
Yeah.
Right? It's just clunky.
It's clunky. It's weird. It's like they were like they said, you know what? We're gonna make a great screen, but we're gonna skimp on everything else, you know? And that's just, I don't know, that's just Apple they don't do that. It's just one of those things, like, it's the whole thing. And yeah, it's the premium type of thing. It's the Apple tax, right? And so when you get the Apple tax, you get a little bit better machining. This seems like it could break. If this fell over, that'd probably be no go. I mean, maybe that too, but yeah, definitely this.
So thank you guys so much for watching. There is tons more on the way. Again, if you want to check out the music goodness, that is on the alt channel linked here and down below. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later.
I
Baby
don't sit
back,
back,
baby
baby. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back.
I'm so sorry.
We gotta clear that too.
It's like the blind
We do
leading the
gotta
blind
get
over
that.
here.
So to start